Today, let me show you how to replace the battery on your Nintendo Switch. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. For safety reasons, the device should be charged below 20%. Remove 4 Y-type screws on the back. Another Y-type screw is hidden under the support. I recommend organizing all the screws so that you don't get mixed up during the repair procedure. Don't forget to remove the Y-type screw, which is located on the side close to the Nintendo game card slot. And also remove the Y-type screws located under the stickers next to the charging port. And finally, remove the last 2 Y-type screws as shown in the video. Now you can remove the cover. Remove one marked cross screw and the flex cable located under the sticker. Remove 6 more cross screws. After you have removed the metal plate, you should immediately disconnect the battery. Use a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius in order to loosen the glue under the battery. Now you can carefully pry out the battery. Use double-sided tape or the adhesive foil from the new battery to stick the new battery in its place. Connect the battery cables and insert the metal plate. If necessary, you can renew the pink thermal paste. Screw the marked screws back in again. Now, insert the board of the micro SD reader and screw it tight. Finally, put the cover back on and screw in all the marked screws, including those on the sides. It was a pleasure repairing with you today. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. Spare parts and repair people can be found at kaputt.de.